Instantly change one card into another card just with a wave of your hand. Grab a random card out of the middle of the deck, so let's say we grab this one right here, and we have the 8 of hearts, but again, just with a simple wave, it is now the 4 of spades. That is called the Cardini change, and that's what I'm teaching you today. And now for how to actually do the Cardini change. First, you have to start off with a double lift, and a double lift is where you flip over one card, but it's really 2. In the performance, what I did was I riffled down, and then I riffled 2 cards, and pulled them out like this. So in reality, I really picked up 2. But if you're not good with double lifts, you can either just turn over one card and make it vanish, or you can just turn the deck over so you don't have to worry about it. And for the best results, don't choose 2 cards that are the same, choose 2 cards that are different. Now when it comes to the grip, you're going to be in mechanics grip, which is with your thumb down the left long edge, your index along the top edge, and your other 3 fingers along the right long edge. And you will want these 3 fingers on top of the deck instead of just along the side of the deck. And your thumb should be partially over the corner as well. Without the cover of your right hand, a Cardini change would simply look like this. So now let me teach you how to do it. You're going to pull down with your pinky, middle, and ring to pull it off, but make sure you still apply a pressure with your thumb, because you're going to want to do this extremely fast, and your thumb is going to be the thing that builds up pressure. And if you can do it fast, it should pull off like that. But clearly this is not a view that you want your spectator to see, which is why you come over with the right hand to be able to block that view. This is not the actual way to do it, but just with your hand over the top, it would look like that. So you're going to use a big motion to cover the small motion, and the big motion is going to be this. So as I'm doing the Cardini change like this, I'm going to be doing this motion over the top. And together, it would look like this. But at this point, you're still left right here. If you need to do it one-handed, then once you've pulled it down, you can use your index finger to pull it the rest of the way under. Or if your right hand is close enough, then you can actually help push it under with your right hand. And that should leave you clean with one card to turn back over. But just a fair warning if you are doing it with the deck flipped upside down, because you can't do a double lift yet. Once you've actually done the Cardini change and it goes to the bottom, now you'll have one card upside down on the bottom, which is something you should note. But this is definitely not my favorite color change, whether it be the Erdnase change or many others, also like something like Shapeshifter, but right there's the Erdnase change, which is definitely a favorite of mine. You also have Shapeshifter, which I mentioned a second ago, which looks like this. Definitely a really fun one. Honestly, I definitely think these cards look fantastic for color changes. So if you want to check out the cards, you can check them out there in the color changes tutorial playlist right there. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe for more color changes just like this. This is CPM, signing off.